This video tutorial is an introduction to the WordPress admin panel. I'm using my own website, the Northwest Media Collective, for the demo. Let's say, for example, you wanted to edit something on the About page. If I were to come here to the About page, it's not really clear what I would do to edit it. But if I were logged in, there would be an easy way to access the editor from this page. So let me just open a new tab for Northwest Media Collective, or whatever your URL is. If you wanted to log into the admin panel, you would add a / and then WP for WordPress -admin, and that will bring you to the login screen. And I already have a login set up, so I'll put in my username and password. And this is the WordPress admin panel. Depending on your theme and other things, whether you're logged in as an administrator or an editor, you might see different things over here in the left sidebar. But you're always going to see an option for posts. That's your blog posts. Media, that's all your images, your media library. And then links, you won't necessarily have links, but pages, you'll have pages. So let's say I wanted to edit the About page. There's two different ways you can access the About page to edit it. Once I'm logged in, I can navigate to Pages, find About Us. It happens to be right here, but I could also search here, About. And then I can see that it's right here. Now I click Edit, and that would bring me to the About page to edit it. Alternatively, once I'm logged in, if I refresh this About Us page, the gray admin bar shows up at the top, and now I can just click Edit Page, and it will take me right into the page that I wanted to edit. This one other thing to show you, this is what you see is what you get editor window, and I can choose between the visual side or the text side. If I went to the visual side, and I could say this is a tutorial. Let's say I wanted to link tutorial to another page. I can highlight it, click the link. I can either type in the URL here, or I can link to existing content. Let's just link to that. Add link. And now, if we preview changes, we're using a different template here, so it's not going to show us the same. It's not going to show us the preview because the content for this site is down here in this visual composer. But if you look at the text side here, you can see the HTML is getting automatically added. So we can edit the link itself on the text side, or if you're more comfortable in the visual side, you can edit this way. You could set things to be bold. You could set the featured image, which we can talk about more in another tutorial. And one other thing that I want to show you while we're going over the basics, we don't need to save any of that, is the screen options that is available in the back admin panel. Every area of WordPress has the screen options up here, and a lot of times there's things that give you control over making changes to your website but aren't necessarily checked. In this case, everything's checked, so we're going to see everything. We can see if I uncheck comments, the comments don't display down here. So I'll leave that all checked, but you'll see there's 54 pages. Right now we're seeing maybe 20 pages on each page, and I'd have to thumb through to look at them all. It might make the site run, it might make the admin panel run a little slower, but I really prefer to change this to a number that will show all the pages at once, because I prefer to find stuff by doing a Command F on the page rather than using the search box up here. And now we can see all the pages on this entire website in a single scroll down. Hope this helps give you a little idea of the WordPress admin panel and how to access it and how to get into a page to edit it. And we will leave you with that for now.